Our next company waiting is from Hitecon Technology from Zhangzhou Handing Intelligent Technology Company. Hello, Sabrina.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi. This is
Can you hear
Jane.
me?
Yes, I can hear from you, Sabrina, loud and clear. Yeah, I can see you now.
Okay.
Hello, Sabrina. This is Jane from Lightstrade Factory Tour. How are you? Good afternoon.
Hello, Jane. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This
Hello.
is my
Hi.
colleague Alpha.
Oleg. Hello. Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi, Sabrina and Oleg. So happy to see you this afternoon. I might pronounce it right. So,
No. I'm Alpha.
His
Alpha.
name is
Alpha.
Alpha. Oh, Alpha.
Yeah.
Sorry, because of the signal and the voice. Okay, sorry. Thank you, everyone. Would you like to take 10 to 15 minutes to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products or the projects you have done? Something you want to show? Thank you. Here we go.
Okay. I will give you a brief overview of our Hiteon Group. Hitecon Technology is a high-tech enterprise focused on the R&D, manufacturing, and the sales of LED strip lighting products. The company has the most advanced intelligent manufacturing production line and the company quality assurance system. Our factory located in Fujian, Zhangzhou, near in Xiamen. The area of factory is more than 40,000 square meters. There are more 300 employees working in the factory. The production capacity of COB strip is 2 million meters per month and 3 million meters per month for SMD strip. Our company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 1400, PSCI, and other system certification products through the CE, CB, ROS, TUV, SGS, ERP, CUL certification. And our company business philosophy to be a professional alternative and dedicated to do a good job in a physical category. And to continue to provide customers with higher value LED flexible lighting products and service. Our LED strip light series include RGB series, white, red, and other series mini lighting series. The product line is complete, especially the mini LED strip series is the main advantage of the company. There are single color, dual color, RGB, and the other 4 series of products can meet the various requests of customers. Now my colleague Alpha will explain to you the product knowledge.
Thank you. Hello, Sabrina. Hi. Hello. I can.
Next, our to manufacturers of COB strips and products.
A little bit from
just like this. And this is a traditional SMD.
Hello, Alpha. Hello, Sabrina. The signal just suffer from some signal issue,
yes.
And the image is not stable.
Hello.
The video is. Hello, Sabrina.
Okay,
and Alpha. The video is paused a little bit for a few seconds and on and back right now. Okay, now it's good. Great. Yeah, you can
Okay.
continue, please. Mhm.
Oh, this is our main product, COB LED strips.
Yes.
Oh, I see. The main product.
This is traditional SMD.
The classical one.
Yes. Now,
That's
Wow, pretty. Mhm.
we have different model for our COB strips.
Mhm.
I hope you can see our display board clearly.
Many products. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we have 320 LED per meters and 512 LED per meter and 720 per meters.
Yeah, different size. Oh, okay.
Different model.
Different model. Yeah.
And we also have
Waterproof. Yeah, waterproof series.
Waterproof. IP6, IP60.
Five,
This is
65,
IP65
68.
and 68 can reach IP68.
Okay, IP65 and IP68.
And the high CRI and reach to 90.
Okay. I will tell our customers our COB strips features. Linear COC COB
The linear.
strips it belong to linear lighting and without light spot. And uniform luminous. No
Yes.
breaker, no breaking, and free. I can show you.
Yes. This is the fashionable one, the linear. Yes.
This
Yeah, you can bend.
This is traditional LED strips. This COP, you can see which ones. Okay.
And the COB is no net dot.
I think the traditional one is the upper one, and the fashion one is the down one.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the right. Yes.
So you can see the difference between the COB strips and SMD strips. So next, I will show you our
the COB RGB series. You can
CCD.
You can follow me to.
Just a second.
Wait a minute. Sorry.
Hello, Sabrina. I just wondering about the background. When you, minutes before, when you and Alpha sitting there and give up an introduction, what's in behind your back, the background?
This one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's it?
It's a different color, temperature.
Temperature. Oh, different color of the temperature.
Our products are COB strip lights.
Great. Okay. Oh, it can changeable and they on and off. Great. Yes, 2,200 to 5,700 temperature. Great. I see. I just wondering, is that eternal or a project that you have done?
Yeah, it's beautiful, right?
Yes, very beautiful.
And this is the COB RGB strip.
Yes, you can see.
No, green now. Or red now. Oh, remote control. Yes, remote control.
Use the remote to control the RGB COB strip.
Right.
Yes.
RGB. Great.
Yes.
And we have all different remote control like RF, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and IR. And this is our tunable white COB strip light. And 704 LED per meters, 24 wattage. Yeah.
Different parameters.
Yeah.
Right.
So far.
What's this?
This is our colorful COB, single color
single-
COB. Yeah,
Single color. Mm-hmm.
red, blue, and the yellow color.
Mm-hmm. What's the warranty for them?
Warranty.
Warranty.
We can do 5 to 8 warranty.
5 years of warranty, yeah.
5 years, even 8 warranty, 8
Oh,
year
oh.
warranty.
Oh, wow, 5 to 8. Wow, that's long.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And this is our different aluminum profile with different strip.
Mhm.
Because the water is too high, we need to put in the aluminum to
cool down.
to
cool down.
heat.
Oh, okay. The disperse the heat and make the temperature drop down. Yeah.
This is a different result.
Mm-hmm. I see from the company introduction, you are a technology company, right?
Yes.
And you own some your own patent or intelligent property when you're doing some of your own innovation or creation on the product. You have the patent or some owners on that, the guarantee.
You mean the patent?
Yes.
What?
For example,
yes, we have.
Mm-hmm.
Just like this. Show you.
Right. Thank you.
This one is our patent.
Oh, okay. This is a patent product. Mm-hmm.
All developed.
All by yourself. Wow, great. Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Okay. Anything else you would like to add in this presentation? Anything else?
To be honest, we are big and professional distributor manufacturer. Yes, especially in COB strip line, we are #1 in China. So I hope you can use our to European customers.
Yes, exactly. European, this is your main market, and
Yeah.
you are doing the leading technology in COB in China.
Yeah.
Wow. Great.
So, yeah, I hope many customers can know us and cooperate with us.
Sure, I know. I got it. When customers are interested in your products and the company, I will make sure that they will contact with you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so let's call it today. Thank you, Sabrina and Alpha. Thank you for your introduction and presentation. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.